So it looks like a sleeping train, sleeping car. This is the other end of the railway station. Those were the tram I took last week.
Tudom, hogy kell, de most vidéken basszatod.
Hol megy a Kudnobusz, a Metro-Kudnobusz? Metro-Kudnobusz hol megy? I wonder if I could get a tram to go back to District 9, or do I need to get back on the Metro Line 3? I'll find out soon. But first, let's take a good look at these beautiful structures of this train station. You can see here they closed this M3, so I can't really get on anyway. I need to get on a bus, I believe. I think I'm going to work. Bus 9 looks like. If I find the bus 9 easily, then I'll get on it. Here's the bus 9. But I go to Obuda. I'm supposed to go the other way around. We'll see. I couldn't find the bus 9 on the other way, so I believe. Finally got on tram 4 to head home. And then ready for the Egera truck.
Következő megálló, Oxtogon metróállomás.
See you in the next video.
Az ajtók a bal oldalon nyílnak. Átszállhatnak az M1-es metróra.
The next stop is Octagon. Change here for Metro Lines N1.
Finally, I got off the tram 4. Now I need to take one stop on the Metro 4 to go back to my lodging. There's Metro 4. Let's go. One more ride.